phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a sure good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today.
Hello, jolly learners at home. You are welcome to Jolly Phonics lessons. Today you are going to learn the next letter sound with me, Jolly Abbas. Before we start the lesson, I am going to ask you 1 or 2 questions. You ready for my questions? Great! So, what letter sound is this? D. Very good. And what letter sound is this? O. Great. So can you show me the action of this letter sound? Fantastic. O, 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 O. One more. And what about this one? I know. The sound is A. Say it again. A. Very good. Okay, children. Now let us start the next lesson. Good. Story. The story is about angry goat. So angry goat is running and it is not looking where it is going. At the end, she crashed to a tree and the tree fell on the goat. Everybody says, "Oh, look at that goat." Can we say it together? Oh, look at that goat. Again. Oh, look at that goat. One more. Oh, look at that goat. Very good. So can you tell me the sound? Can you produce the sound that everyone produced in the story? Remember everyone in the story? Okay, tell me the sound. Oh, very good. Say it again. Oh, and again. Very good. So can you show me the action that the people in the story did when saying the sound oh? Very good. Oh. So look at the sound we are learning. Today, this is the sound we are learning. And the sound you hear in the story. Can you say the sound? Oh, very good. So let us look at the formation of this letter sound. So this letter sound, remember, is also digraph. It's also what? A digraph sound. Why we say digraph? Because you see 2 letter sounds are now put together and create a new sound. So we don't have A, we don't have O and A here. They are not producing O, A. They are producing one sound. And the sound is O. Very good. So let's have a look. Is this a giraffe with a neck, monkey tail, or turtle letter sound? Great, turtle letter sound. So here we go. Start from the point, go round back to the point, make a dash, curve in, go up, come down with a flick. I'm going to write it again. Look at it. Start from the point, go round back to the point, make a dash, curve in, go up, come down with a flick. Remember to join them together because we are learning. It's an opportunity for us children to learn join up writing. Okay, one more. Start from the point, go round back to the point, make a dash, curve in, go up, come down with a flick. Very good. Let us write this letter sound in the air. Where is your magic pencil? This time we go together. Ready? Great. So your magic pencil, take it up. Ready? Start from the point and remember to join them together. We are practicing what? Join up writing. Okay, 1, 2, go. Start from the point. Go round back to the point. Make a dash. Curve in. Go up. Come down with a flick. Inky, you are my partner. I'm going to write this letter sound O on your back. Okay, children at home, you write on your friend's back. This is my friend today, and I'm going to write this letter sound on his back. Shall we go together? 1, 2. Start from the point. Go round back to the point. Make a dash. Curve in. Go up. Come down with a flick. Inky, are you happy? Very good. So let us take turn. You write on my back. Okay? Enjoy your turn, Inky. Can you try? Wow. Start from the point. Go round back to the point. Make a dash. Curve in. Go up. Come down with a flick. Thank you, Inky. Are you happy today? I'm happy because I'm learning. Very good. So children, let us look at the formation section in our Jolly Phonics People book. Remember to use your pencil. This time around, not magic pencil. Good. So look at, we're on page 22 of course. So look at the letter sound. I mean the dotted O sound. Okay, can I join you trace 1 or 2? Okay, start. Start from the point. Go round back to the point. Make a dash. Curve in. Go up. Come down with a flick. Okay, one more. Start from the point. Go round back to the point. Make a dash. Curve in. Go up. Come down with a flick. Very good. So this is a space for you to write your own. Can I join you? Start from the point. Go round back to the point. Make a dash. Curve in. Go up. Come down with a flick. Great, children. So, next, we are going to look at some few words that contain the letter sound we are learning today. So, snake, I'm going to help you to read this word. But, this time around, by singing. So, when I say, can I hear you say, I will touch the sound, and then you say the sound. Ready? Yeah. Good. Can I hear you say g, g? Can I hear you say o, o? Can I hear you say t, t? When we put them together, goat. When we put them together, goat. When we put them together, goat. Can I hear you say g, g? Can I hear you say o, o? Can I hear you say t, t? When we put them together, goat. When we put them together, goat. When we put them together, goat. Thank you, Snake, for helping us. Okay. Thank you. So, children, look at your blending section in the book. Now we are going to track the sounds I'll read. So, use your fingers, not pencils. Use your what? Fingers. Your fingers. Very good. So can we touch our hand, our first letter sound? Put your finger beneath the first letter sound of this word. Ready? Let's go. G. O. T. Together. Goat. Next one. S. O. K. Together. Soak. Next one. R. O. D. Together. Road. Last one. F. O. M. Together. Foam. Thank you very much, children. Roll for yourself. Roll. So children, let us look at the next activity of this lesson. Look at the pictures in your book on page 22. Can you help me touch the first picture? Or remember, we are learning O sound. So what is the name of this picture? Goat. Very good. Do you hear sound O in goat? Great. Is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Great. In the middle. So you color the picture. And the next picture is, yes, I can see net, but not net. Goal. Very good. So do you hear sound O in goal? Great. You hear the sound. Is this in the middle or at the end? Of course, in the middle. Thank you. And the next picture is boat. Do you hear O sound in boat? Great. At the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Great. In the middle. So remember to color the picture. And the last picture is, say it again, not cloud. Look at it again. Rain. Fantastic. So do you hear sound O? Remember the sound? O in rain? Of course, no. So we cross it out. Very good. So children, let me call some sounds and a single word for you to write in your handwriting book. This time not in your Jollyphonics people book, in your exercise book. Ready? You write G. Remember the sound? You write O. And you write T. Okay, put them together and tell me the word. Goat. Thank you very much. Okay, now listen to the following word and write it down. Boat. Can you write it? Boat. Have you done that? Excellent. So children, here we come to the end of this lesson. And before I go, let us listen to the jolly song of this letter sound. I mean, the letter sound we learned today.
Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree?
Thank you very much. Jolly, jolly children, jolly, jolly, bye-bye. Jolly, jolly children, jolly, jolly, bye-bye. See you next.
Jolly phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today.